Have you ever wondered if there's something more to the world around us? Something hidden beneath the surface, waiting to be discovered? Imagine having access to a cosmic hotline that could unlock your deepest desires and manifest the reality you've always dreamed of. Well, get ready, because today we're diving into the captivating intersection of manifestation and quantum physics. I'm sure you've heard about the law of attraction, but what if I told you there's a fascinating connection between this powerful law and the mind-bending principles of quantum physics? Prepare to have your mind blown as we journey into the realm of infinite possibilities and explore how you can tap into the cosmic hotline to manifest your wildest dreams. But that's not all. We'll venture beyond the concept of a single reality and discover the mind-boggling idea of multiple realities. What if I told you that the world you see is just a fraction of what truly exists? Brace yourself as we delve into the mind-bending notion that you can shape your desired reality by navigating through multiple dimensions. And that's not all. Our final section reveals the key secrets to unlocking the true power of manifestation. Prepare yourself for an exploration of positive attraction, where your thoughts and emotions become magnetic forces that draw in everything you desire. Get ready to harness the immense power within you and take control over your destiny. It's time to unveil the hidden secrets that will transform the way you perceive the world and revolutionize your ability to manifest. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single moment of this mind-altering journey. So hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and get ready to unlock the mysteries of the cosmic hotline. Welcome to a world of limitless potential. Let's step into the realm of manifestation and quantum physics together. It all begins with understanding vibration and frequency. Everything in this universe has a vibration and frequency, even humans, as we are composed of energy vibrating at different levels. Our thoughts, words, emotions, and actions all have frequencies that influence how we interact with the world around us. And it is these very frequencies that connect us to what we desire through the manifestation techniques of Neville Goddard's law of attraction. The law of attraction states that if you focus on something long enough with positive emotion, it will manifest in your physical reality. This is because by raising our frequency through positive thoughts and emotions, we can align ourselves with higher energies in the non-physical realm where dreams come true. It's like opening a cosmic hotline between us and our desired outcome. Imagine waking up every day feeling a sense of pure joy, a deep sense of peace, and a profound happiness that radiates from within. These positive emotions are not just fleeting moments of pleasure, but they hold the key to unlocking the manifestation of our dreams. You see, when we align ourselves with higher frequency levels, we tap into a powerful force that can attract abundance and success into our lives. By consciously cultivating positive emotions like happiness and peace, we are tuning into the cosmic hotline, sending out a clear signal to the universe that we are ready to receive our dreams. When we operate from this elevated state of being, we become a magnet for opportunities, synchronicities, and the manifestation of our deepest desires. Just like tuning into your favorite radio station, we have the ability to tune into the cosmic hotline of the universe. This hotline is always available to us, and it holds the power to bring our desires to life. But how do we access it? It all comes down to aligning ourselves with the right vibrations and frequencies. You see, everything in the universe vibrates at a specific frequency. By raising our own vibrations through positive thoughts, emotions, and actions, we create a harmonious resonance with the cosmic hotline. Imagine it like this. You're driving in your car and want to listen to a particular radio station. You know that in order to hear it clearly, you need to tune your radio to the exact frequency of the station. Manifesting is similar. You need to be in vibrational alignment with your desires to bring them into your reality. When we align ourselves with the frequencies of love, gratitude, and abundance, we open up the channels of communication with the cosmic hotline. It's as if the universe takes notice and starts conspiring to bring our desires to life. So, let's start consciously tuning into the right frequencies and watch the magic unfold. By grasping the concept of frequencies and vibes, we can activate this cosmic hotline to access higher levels of consciousness in order to manifest our goals or desires in physical form at an accelerated pace. We simply need to harness positive emotions like joy or love to increase our vibrational wavelength, allowing us to tune into the desired outcome and letting the universe take care of bringing it to life. So go ahead, start unlocking your power today by practicing vibrations and frequencies for a future filled with success. At its core, manifesting is about tuning our frequency and vibrations to the reality we desire, not just wishing for it. Our thoughts act as tiny sparks of electricity, while emotions are like little magnets. Together, they create an energy bubble that communicates with the universe's control center, quantum field. The quantum field then responds in kind by sending back energy with a similar vibration and frequency, which brings into alignment what we desire into present reality. To begin this process, Neville Goddard suggests writing down one's desires in detail so that they become vividly clear, along with feeling the emotion associated with them. This helps align oneself to the right channel as desired. It is also important to note that feeling elevated emotions such as gratitude, joy, wonder, and love helps attract what we want into present reality, rather than focusing on fear or anxiety, which will only attract similar energies from the universe. Lastly, maintaining feelings of happiness helps tune into a reality that already exists within the universe, bringing your desires to manifest more quickly and powerfully. Another important step when manifesting is not only thinking about desires, but also feeling them deeply within yourself, as if broadcasting signals of joy and plenty for the universe to tune into. Visualizing what we want can help us focus on these feelings even deeper. It's almost like having a magic remote control that switches reality channels from unhappy to filled with abundance and bliss. Remember, the law of assumption states that whatever we assume or believe becomes our reality, so be sure to focus on abundant thinking for the best results. And that brings us to the end of our mind-expanding journey into the fascinating world of manifestation and quantum physics. We've explored the cosmic hotline, multiple realities, and the incredible power that lies within each of us. Remember, the key to unlocking your desired reality is through consistent practice and maintaining a clear, calm mind. Manifestation is not an overnight miracle, but rather a process that requires dedication and alignment with the frequencies of abundance and manifestation. If you found value in this video, we invite you to show your support by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. We greatly appreciate your support, and it motivates us to bring you additional thought-provoking content in the future. We encourage you to share your thoughts and insights in the comment section below. Your engagement and feedback help us create a vibrant community of like-minded individuals who are on their own manifestation journeys. As we conclude, we'd like to send you our sincerest blessings on your manifestation journey. May you tap into the limitless potential of the universe, aligning with the cosmic hotline, and witness your dreams transforming into reality. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting, keep believing, and keep embracing the power within you. Remember, you hold the key to unlocking a reality filled with abundance and joy.